Hi guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Repair. Today we're going to be giving my old KTM a bit of loving. So, some of you might have seen this bike before. I've had this one for a little over a year now. Come to the end of the riding season now, not too many events on this time of year, so it's a perfect opportunity to pull it apart, change some bits over, give it a good service and a very good check over. So we've got a box of stuff down here. Let's go tore it apart and see what's what.
Forever and ever, now it's over like you wanted. And we tried to fix it, going nowhere, running empty. 1,000 streetlight preachers in my head, the eyes are slowly sinking. Don't be scared, so go get what you're looking for, 'cause I could be the one you find, I could be the one you find. In a world where no one loves you more, let me be the one you find. I could be the one you find. I could be the one. I could be the one. I could be the one.
Right, so we've got it torn down. Got oil and filters to do, new chain and sprockets and new plastics, but first I need to get in here, give everything a bloody good clean out, because that is disgusting.
We lost all our oxygen, fighting fire with the flame. Our souls are sold.
Right, that's looking much cleaner. Let's get this oil dropped, see what sort of state that's in, and we'll move on from there. I would say that is looking pretty bloody good. So on these KTMs, there's another drain there. That one has a little screen on it as well, so it's worth taking that one out. You can have a look at the screen, see what sort of state things are in. yourself some long nose pliers. And out she comes. Again, I'd say it's looking very good. Something I always like to do when I do an oil and filter change, so I get the filter, grab myself a knife and cut the paper element off of it. It's a really good way of seeing what the condition of your engine's in. You can spread the paper filter apart, and you just basically want to look for like metal filings or any sort of gold flecks, like bronze looking flecks. If you get that gold tinge in there, you know, that's more than likely going to be bottom end starting to go, but I'm really happy with that. Both sides, absolutely perfect. Not a fleck in sight. So, I'm going to bosh another filter in, fill her up with oil. Should be good to go again for a little while. So now, whilst the bike's apart like this, it's a really good opportunity to change the spark plug and checking valve clearances if you haven't done them recently. I'm going to leave mine because just before the last ride it had a new spark plug, and I checked the valve clearances and they're well within tolerance. I'm quite happy to leave that as is for now and crack on and do the rest of it. Right, let's get this chain and sprockets done. I'm not going to go too into detail with this because you've seen us do it several times now, but I mean, I don't know if you can see very well, but that chain's had it, and that rear sprocket ain't too clever either.
We tried all there is to try. I'm not
Really sticky links.
I'm not
Right,
gonna
let's
let
get on with it.
fall aside. Let me hold you. I won't let anybody hurt you. So so far and so wide. Distant moment crashes down as our memories collide.
Here we go now.
Well, that's going to do it for this episode. If you stay tuned, next episode I will show you how to apply graphics to your motocross bike, and got some new handguards coming. We'll stick them on. I'll give you a quick walk around of the bike and we'll go from there.
Everything bang!
Bastard!